Hello, my dear. Welcome back to the ingredient channel where I share simple and delicious homemade Chinese recipes. Steaming is one of the oldest techniques in Chinese cooking, far older than stir frying. In this episode, I'm going to introduce a delicious homemade steamed yogurt cake recipe. It tastes very much like Japanese steamed cheesecake, light, soft, and fluffy, with every bite melts in the mouth. The recipe involves only a few simple steps. Even so, I failed multiple times until I figured out one key step to make it a success. Want to find out how? Follow me. Crack 3 large eggs. Separate the white from the yolk and put them into 2 containers. Whisk the egg yolk. Add 1 cup of organic whole milk Greek yogurt. Mix. A pinch of salt, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix again. Sift 3 tablespoons cake flour plus 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Use your favorite beater, medium speed. Mix until mixture gets shiny and smooth. Add 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar to the egg white. Low speed. Mix until big bubbles show up. Then add 5 tablespoons of sugar in 2 separate rounds. High speed, mix well until the egg white turns shiny and reaches a soft peak. Gently fold half of the egg white mixture into the batter. Pour the batter back to the rest of the egg white mixture. Gently fold thoroughly. Line a small baking pan with parchment paper. Pour the batter in. Use a spoon to smoothen the surface. Seal with plastic wrap. Bring enough water to a boil in a steamer. Drop the heat to low. As long as the water still boils, cover the lid and steam for 45 minutes. Keeping a relatively low temperature is the key to success, because if the temperature is too high, the cake will rise too much, then collapse. Important things need to be repeated 3 times. Keep the heat low, keep the heat low, and keep the heat low. After 45 minutes, switch off the heat and keep the lid covered for 5 minutes. Then remove the plastic wrap. Transfer the cake out of the pan. It is so soft, fluffy, and jiggly. Yum! Well, thanks for staying through the end of the video, and hope you enjoyed the recipe while becoming more into the rich Chinese food culture. Before you go, please like, share, and subscribe for more. Thank you. Until next time, happy cooking.